Duo's Help Desk Push feature protects your organization's mission by enabling you to verify the identity of your end users with Duo Push. To send a Duo Push Help Desk notification to a user, a Duo administrator with the appropriate permissions simply needs to log in to the Duo admin panel, locate the applicable user in your user store, and click Send Duo Push on their user page. The user must have the Duo mobile app installed and activated on their smartphone in order to receive the push. A Help Desk push request displays text that indicates it is a Help Desk request, including a confirmation code. When the user approves the push, the Duo administrator will see that in the Duo admin panel. They can then proceed with assisting the end user. Your organization's help desk staff can use this feature to verify the identity of your users for a variety of different situations. Hi, this is Henrietta with University Support. How can I help you?
Hi Henrietta, this is Gabe. I'm having issues logging into my account and I was wondering if you could help.
Sure. What's your university email address?
It's gabe@university.com.
Thanks. I see you have Duo Mobile on your phone. I'm going to send you a quick Duo push request to confirm your identity.
Sounds good. Done.
Great. Thanks. Now let's figure out how I can help you.